Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
The important aspect we have discussed is about data modeling of your application. How you want the data to be in your application. It should be of what type. That is nothing but designing your data model. Here we have seen something called as data type, where you try to group up or where try to bundle certain elements, some data elements together. It is called as a data type. Whatever we have created until yesterday were like single valued properties. We did not establish any relationship between them. Right? But it is always easier for me to handle if they are all together. We generally go with data types, and also one more important advantage here is of the reusability. It would be very easy for me to create a data type and use it across multiple case types. We have seen different categories of properties, like there are value mode properties and page mode properties. When you further drill down the value mode properties, you have got single value list, value group. On the other hand, for the page, similarly, we have single page, page list and page group. It is up to our choice. Depending upon the usage, you could choose whichever kind of data element you wanted to have. Yesterday, we have used this data type and we have seen how it is used for getting the page properties and page list properties. We use the data relationship field type there. Earlier, it was all just text type pick list, then phone number. Email types are not. But now we use the data relationship. That makes a lot of difference when it comes to reusability. He spoke about a lot of things related to the data modeling, case designing, and sort of stuff. Right. Not necessarily as much what a developer does, but at least I will be involved in a bit of debugging. Let us understand where this application data is being stored, or how do I access it, or how do I check whether the data is being collected correctly or not. Is it in the right format? I need to check those initial settings. At least I might need to initialize some data. This data storage in memory. This lets us see where this data is being stored. How is it stored? Is it of there is a format or not? We will be looking at this. Because applications usually generate a lot of amount of data. Your sources of data include the case data, or you can have user data, or you can have data from other external sources as well. Right. Probably, if you are an insurance-based application, you need the history of the customer. And like you might need his vehicle history, or you might need his previous accident history and sort of stuff. That comes from an external third-party vendor. That is also used in order to provide an insurance for my client. Whether to provide or not, or how much premium has to be decided. This depends upon data coming from external sources. I'm dealing with a lot of data here. This is a lot of data. And while developing the application, we might need to review the application data for debugging. Because obviously incorrect information will lead to a lot of errors or some undesired results. In order to process or in order to resolve the transactions, we will capture a lot of information. And we might need to process it as well. And sometimes we need to present it back to the user for the review or for his confirmation whatsoever. We might need to present also, right? And for this, I should have my data stored somewhere. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.